everyone, welcome back. Today we are in Troy, Ohio. We are at MIG RV Marine Super Center, and we are looking at the SUNLITE LTD. This is the 19RB. It's under $16,000. Let's take a look. When you come up front, you have a very generous storage for a tiny travel trailer. Looking up, you have an awning that covers just about the entire side. Moving on, single axle. You have a propane connection point right there, which is kind of cool. You got your suburban step. Moving around to the back. There's no ladder permanently mounted here. You are camera prepped, and you do have your spare tire mounted here, so it's easy access. Moving on to this side, you have a shower right there, outdoor shower. Your sewer connection is right there. Even though there's no ladder permanently mounted, you do have the Lippert on-the-go ladder system. This is where your power is. It's permanently mounted, so you just pull the cable out and push it back in when you're done. Sorry for the road noise. We're on a major highway here. Your city water connection is right here, as well as the other side of your pass-through storage. Let's take a look at the weights. This is a gross vehicle weight of 4,000 pounds. And the cargo carrying capacity, it doesn't actually say, it just says it shouldn't exceed 4,000 pounds. So we'll have to look this up on the website and see exactly what the cargo carrying capacity is. Moving on to the front, you have a manual crank jack to get it on and off your tow vehicle. Single 20 or 30 pound, I suppose you could put up there if you wanted to, and a single battery box. So that's it for the outside. Let's go look at the inside. We want to thank Chris and Aaliyah from MIG RV and Marine Super Center for having us. And if you like this RV, make sure you give them a call. Now, as tiny travel trailers go, this, to be honest, at least this area, for one without a slide, is actually one of my favorites because to me, it just feels a little bit more spacious to me than some of the ones that we look at that are this small, okay? You walk right in, you have your dinette. We'll seat 4, obviously too comfortably. 4 might be a little bit tight, but you could seat 4 there. This does lower off those pipes, and this does become a bed, okay? Swinging around, we have our kitchen. You have a huge sink with a nice tall faucet. There's cabinetry underneath for storing stuff down there. Okay, you've got a drawer here for probably your utensils and things, and there's a couple of cabinets here. You do have a 2-burner stove there. Couple of cabinets above, which is full pass-through, okay? Your air conditioning unit is right there. You do have a couple of cabinets on this side as well. I'm going to make a general assumption that this is supposed to be where the microwave goes because I haven't seen a microwave yet, but there's no plug up there, so I'm not sure. You do have an Ever-Chill refrigerator freezer, which is 12 volt. Then there's the bed. This looks to be like a residential queen, Lisa.
It does, doesn't it?
It does. So let's get a measurement on it. So I don't see a sign. 60. Ooh, nope. 60 by 76.
Oh,
really,
so close.
60 by 75, to be honest. Okay. So not exactly residential. And if it was residential, it might be hard to... just enough space to squeeze your butt over to this side to get in and out, right?
Yeah, and if you had residential, you would not have that space.
You would not have that space.
No.
All right? So let's lift this up. I'm sure there's some storage underneath here, which there is. You got a tank in there, but there's some storage as well. Okay? You do have a big shelf that's all the way across the top. Of course, your clothes may fall out when you're driving, but you can put them up when you're done. You do have hanging here on both sides. Got these nice little platforms in front of the doors with power on either side so you can put your CPAPs up there if you need it. The only thing we haven't seen is the bathroom, so let's go take a look at that, because y'all know what time it is.
It's time for Thomas Toilet Test.
All right, if I haven't told you yet, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, do us a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe. Become part of the Tallman clan. It is free to you. It is. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help out our channel. And Lisa and I, well, we really need the help. Anyway, thank you all so much, and God bless you. I am sitting on a plastic foot flush toilet, and as you can see from Lisa's angle, well, I'm not all in the bathroom. So this toilet is going to present a huge challenge for me. what I find very interesting, Lisa, is, let me have the camera. The bathroom's actually quite big. There's a ton of space over there. So I don't know why they didn't put the toilet this way, because if it was that way, I would have more than enough room on this toilet. So definitely a pretty crappy layout of the toilet. So this is definitely, okay, I guess I'll take that back. Over there is your vanity. There's no medicine cabinet in here. The mirror's mounted directly to the wall. You do have an area to store all your towels and things, and you'll have to put all the drugs down there since there's no medicine cabinet. So I'm going to have Lisa come in here, and I'm going to climb in this shower, which means I'm going to have to jump over the toilet. In fact, if that toilet was turned sideways, it would give you even more room to get into the shower.
And, I can't help but wonder if that's something that can't be adjusted.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, all right. I'm pressing against the fan. This isn't a skylight. It's a fan. And I don't think I want my hair close to a fan if the fan's on. So I would say you wouldn't want to be more than 6'2" max to give yourself a little breather. All right. But be careful. These screws are not recessed here. You don't want to hit your head on any of the screws that are in here. All right. Other than that, I mean, it's not horrible. It just, I'm a little confined and constricted. Honestly, I would say probably 6 foot tall max to be comfort in that shower. All right. So let us know what you think of this tiny travel trailer. No slide, very light, has got everything in it you need, I feel, with the exception of a tall shower. All right. All right, guys. Until we see you again on the road, be safe.